In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a paperclip icon in Figma in just a few easy steps. This is a super useful trick whether you're designing a UI, building a mockup, or just need a clean attachment icon for a project. Using Figma's plugin system makes this process fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're inside the design area where you want the icon to appear. Once you're in the editor, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma gives you access to a variety of helpful tools, plugins, and widgets. After that, click on Plugins and Widgets. This will open the plugin search area, which lets you find exactly the tool you need without leaving Figma. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most popular plugin libraries in Figma because it gives you access to thousands of icons in different styles. Once you see it in the results, run the plugin. After the plugin opens, you'll see a search bar inside Iconify. Type paperclip into the search field and press enter. Figma will instantly show you a range of paperclip icons you can choose from. Take a moment to browse the results and pick the one that fits your design style best. Some icons may be outlined, some may be filled, and some may have slightly different shapes, so choose the one that matches your layout. When you find the icon you want, just drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. You can place it next to a file attachment label inside a button or anywhere else it makes sense in your design. From there, you can resize it, change its color, or adjust its position just like any other Figma object. And that's it. You've now created a paperclip icon in Figma using Iconify. This is one of the fastest ways to add professional-looking icons to your designs without having to draw them manually. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick Figma tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.